Hello, in front of me I've got ROLAND CUBE-10GX. In this video I'll show you how to adjust effects. Firstly, make sure that the amplifier is turned on and the last knob on this menu is responsible for effects. Firstly, you can set up chorus just by slightly twisting it up. Then you can enable delay effect and adjust it. And approximately from the half of this scheme to the end we've got the reverb mode. Adjust it by twisting this knob. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.